Alright, so we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Now she has a really pretty like orange hair color here, some darker roots. The stylist is letting her do a little bit of the cutting. I love when a stylist does this. It looks like she got like a mini bob. This is very fresh. I like it parted over to the other side. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So it looks like the stylist is doing some layers here. Oh, very nice. And as you guys know, the layered hair trend is pretty popular for 2023. We're seeing many different variations of the look, and it really just creates a lot of volume to the hair. So here we see someone with mid-length hair, and she decided to switch it up to this tousled bob haircut. Very nice. She has the money piece highlights going here to frame out the face. Gorgeous. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone rocking split dye hair. She has blonde on one side, black on the other, and the stylist is going to give her more of a rock and roll inspired cut. Ooh, he did the flip under for the curling. Oh, I already love the hair color, so bold. And I think that flipped under kind of wolf cut that he ended up doing just looks beautiful with the color. Very nicely done. So next up, we have someone with hair just past their shoulders, about mid-length or so. Alright, so it looks like she wants to go shorter and get some volume to her hair. Let's see what he does. Wow. Just a hint of color with this chocolate brown. Hair looks very volumized, beautifully done. And then we have someone who wants to go cool blonde and a little bit shorter. All right, let's see the end results. Wow, very nice. All right, so we have someone older here, and she has hair about shoulder length with some gray roots. Oh, very nice pixie haircuts. I actually don't mind the fact that the roots are still gray. I think the cut just looks phenomenal. Her hair looks so thick and full. Wow, beautifully done. All right, you guys, so I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.